So in this video, I want us to look at the song "You Are Good" by Ntokozo Mbambo. Very nice song, praise song, right? So, what makes this song even more interesting is that she goes up by a couple of keys, right? I mean, from E to A, which is, I mean, super very interesting. Yeah. So let's jump into it. And the song starting off from E, right? And uh, just "You Are Good." So press right in E, right? You are good, just so good. I know the song talks about the goodness of God, right? I know I might be butchering some lyrics there, but I know it goes something like "You are good," also goes something along those lines, right? But the progression is simple. So here's the progression, right? Starting off from 4, you are good, then 1, right? And then 4, and then 6. In your case, because we're in E, your 4 is your A, right? And it's very interesting because now the song starts from 4, which is an A, and it ends on the key of A actually. I'm listening to that now. Very interesting. You are good. Then come to 1 E, and then come to 5, which is a B, and then come to C minor, which is your 6, 4. We're gonna be playing the same progression throughout the keys. So get this, and then you are good, right? As the song says. So 4, play along. 1, then 5, then 6. Again, let's go. Then 1. Then obviously it goes key up, right? So every time when it does that, just walk up to that 4, right? Because progression of the song starting from 4. So just walk up to that. Going to F sharp and G and G sharp or A flat, then not spending a lot of time there. So basically it's going like, I mean, you're gonna be playing a little bit here. Hallelujah, you are good. Hallelujah, you are. Same progression as I said, right? In your F, your 4, as you know it, is your A sharp or a B flat, right? Hallelujah. Then you're going to F, which is our 1. Then you're going to C, which is our 5. Then you're going to D minor, which is our 6. Hallelujah, right? Hallelujah, you are. Let's move to the next key. Hallelujah, you are good. Oh, you are good. Now, before I move to that, I want to make sure that for in case maybe you're not that familiar with F sharp, I don't want to assume that everyone is familiar with every key, right? You might be familiar but not comfortable, so I want to make sure that I'm a little bit slower with each key, right? So from 4, so the F sharp, the same progression as I said. Your 4 is this one. It's a B, hallelujah. Then your 1 is a F sharp. Then your C sharp is a 5. You are good. D sharp minor is your 6. We repeat the same thing. Hallelujah, you are good. And I remember I said on the original song, they just play like it's just one bar on this one, right? They don't spend a lot of time. So they just play that just one hallelujah. Hallelujah, you are. Then they move on. Hallelujah. Sorry. You. So now that we are on G, your 4 is your C. Then you go to G. Hallelujah. Then Your D is your 5. You are good. E minor is your 6. Let's do that again. 6, I mean C is your 4. Hallelujah. Then we go into this D, which is your 5. Then we go into E minor, which is your 6. Again, slowly. Your 4 is your C. Hallelujah. Then you go into your 1, which is your G, right? And then you go into your 5, which is your D. Then your 6, which is your E minor. For the last time. Hallelujah. You. Move along. A flat, right? Or G sharp. Hallelujah. You are good. Basically from 4, which is your G. Hallelujah. Then your A, which is your 1. Remember this A, we started off with this in the key of E. Our A was our 4, right? Now we're on A. We're starting off from here, right? On D, which is our 4. Right? Right? Check that out again. Then 1 which is our A. Then 1. Then 5 is our E. And then 6, which is our F sharp minor, right? Yeah, I like playing F sharp minor 7, but just keep it like this, clean, right? 1, then 5, again 4, 1, then 5, 6, and then spend some time on this one because it's the last key.